people and I wonder all day, who are you when you are not the one in your way? And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss with almost your brain waves. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you back.
Hello, welcome to Amor. Amor is you, Amor is me. So let's spread little love during this weekend. So your pile is back with another video. So today I have done a cocktail party makeup look. Trust me guys, this look you can carry out only in 15 minutes. The total, except wearing a sari. If you are pro in that, then it will not take much time. So I hope you're gonna like this look. So let's see how I did it.
First of all, I am starting with my eyes. I've all prepped my face and I've let my face to absorb all the product. I am starting with concealing my eyes. Always apply a concealer before you apply a eyeshadow. Especially you are applying a colorful eyeshadows. First of all, apply a concealer which is 2 shades lighter than your foundation. So it will instantly brighten up your eyes and help to pop the color up. After that, I am taking a violet color and I'm patting it all over my eyes. First of all, you will not blend the product. First of all, you will spread the product, how much product you need. After that, you will blend the product. Take a flat brush and spread all the products out in your eyelid. Then I am blending out the product. Keep on blending the product until you will feel all the colors are smudged out, like all the colors are blended well. First of all, take less color, then you build up. If you need more, then if you see the colors are fading away, then you take more and more product. But in first instance, always take a less product in your eyes, then blend it. I am taking a combination of violet and pink. My sari is totally a navy blue sari. So I wanted a tint of pink in my eyes. So I am applying a pink eyeshadow. On the top of the violet eyeshadow in the above part, I am applying the pink eyeshadow and I will blend it properly. You have to blend it properly so that you see a transition of both of the colors. Like you can see a violet as well as pink. So after that, I am taking a concealer. I am doing a half cut crease. So I am making a semicircle out so I am using a Maybelline Fit Me concealer. You can use any concealer of your choice. And after that, I am taking a blue color and I will apply it in my cut crease area. Then I am applying this blue shadow all over the cut crease area. And make sure in the side of the cut crease, you blend it properly. You blend with your fingers, with the tip of your fingers, you blend the color properly. After that, I am taking a purple shade and then I am blending the blue as well as all the transition colors. I have tried to make it a very simple, but yet you can see that you might feel that it took a lot of effort, but no, this is only a technique that you need blending and little cleaner cut crease. Like always make sure that your cut crease is cleaner. The more cleaner your cut crease is, the more it will look clean in your eyes. For the face part, I am applying a primer. I am using a Lakme primer and it has a tint of pink in it. After that, I am using a Maybelline 24-hour foundation. Guys, it's a full coverage foundation. Like all your marks and like small pimples will not be visible in this foundation. It's it's not very costly, but yet you are getting in a budget friendly, in a drugstore, you are getting a full coverage foundation. So I want to tell you one thing, that this is not as matte as the Fit Me one, but yes, this is a matte foundation. After that, I am using a concealer by LA Girl and the shade is Pure Beige. This is a little lighter to my skin tone, just 1 shade lighter than my skin tone, and I am applying you might not need any after this foundation, you might not need any of the concealer. So I am using this concealer just to hide a little of pimples which has just grown. So now I am using a Fit Me powder. This is a very affordable compact powder. You can get it under 200 rupees, like it's 199 I guess, and it's a very affordable. And but guys, it doesn't have much shades. I think it says 3 shades, but guys, you will love it. You will love it. So I'm just powdering out the compact, like to set out the concealer. After that, I am applying a blush from Lakme Kareena Kapoor Khan Collection, and this is a pinkish, fully pink. So then you will blend it. I am just blending out with my fingers. I feel best when I apply the blush with my fingers, especially the cream blush. I like to apply with my fingers. Just smile a little and apply a blush. After that, I'm applying a highlighter on my face. I'm applying the highlighter on my nose as well as my cheeks, just in the cheekbone area where you touch your face, just right under your eyes. You can feel a bone there. Just apply that highlighter on that area. I'm using a fan brush. I'm just spraying the makeup fixer so that my highlighters stick to it and just is easily placeable in my areas. First of all, I am applying Nykaa matte lipstick and I'm just lining my lips, and in between I will fill up with the another lipstick. So you see, you have to, I'm just giving a little ombre effect, not the full ombre, but a little, like I always like to mix and match the lipstick because you get the different color what you want. So I am just lining a lipstick, and in between I will fill up the Faces Canada lipstick, and the shades I will all mention in the description box. So now I am applying a eyeliner from A18. It has a sparkle in it, so you will apply a thin line. I will not put a wing onto it. I will just put a thin line. So now I am doing my eyebrow. I am using my favorite Innisfree eyebrow pencil. Just line the eyebrow in the lower, just in the lower of your eyebrow and upper of your eyebrow, and just go light-handed. Don't just line a harsh line. Make sure you blend it properly with the brush. If you have a spoolie with your eyebrow pencil, just comb your eyebrows and then you fill up. After that, you comb your eyebrows and then you fill up. This is how you do your eyebrows. Make sure you do it very neatly. And after that, I am applying a white kajal in the waterline. So the white kajal will opens up my eye. Like when you apply a white kajal, you feel that your eyes are wide open, and it will look little bigger. After that, I am just blending out the eyeshadows. I am seeing that they are the both of the eyes are equally blended. Then after that, I am applying the highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes as well as my eyebrow. Then after that, I am applying Color Essence mascara. This mascara is very voluminous. Like when you apply it, it will give a little instant volume to your eyes. At last, finally, I am setting my face. So make sure you cover your eyes. You don't want to, like, if you spray it on your eyes, you will see that your colors in your eyes, eyeshadows are like flowing down. And I am using a Faces Canada makeup fixer. I love this because my foundation is matte, and so it will give me that little shine as well as glow. So with that, I have completed my look.
So friends, I hope you liked the look and the sari I carried out. So don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Do subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you get notification when I post a video. Bye.
Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then I'll take you on like a big deal.